Hi there, I'm Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and today we're going to go over the programming of the on and off on their newest 2021 dual boiler espresso machines. What is very interesting about what VBMA did here was a great feature. A lot of times where you could program the on and off of the espresso machine typically happens once on per day and once off. And with VBM, you can do 3 on and offs per day, and you can customize each day of the week. For instance, say on Monday you wanted to turn on between 6 and 8 a.m. and then basically turn off at 8 a.m., turn on at 12 noon, shut off at 2, and then for dinner or supper, whichever one you call it, you can have it go on, say, between 5 and 5:30 p.m., whatever you decide, and shut off an hour later. It doesn't even have to be 2-hour windows. There are 3 bands for each individual day of the week. And if you don't want it to go on and off during the weekend, you can have it off for Saturday and Sunday, especially if you have the machine in the office. You can have it off for those 2 days of the week. And that's why I really like this feature, which is pretty much only on this machine, across all the machines that I know of. Now, there may be others I don't know of, but that I know of, that makes this great. Okay, so you don't need to buy the Wemo. If you're going to turn it on more than 3 times a day, then you probably should get the Wemo, which I made another video on. So we're going to get deeper into this. Come a little closer and you shall see how we program this dual boiler espresso machine. This one here in front of us is the electronic model, where it measures the amount of water going through the coffee grinds. Also has the pressure profiling as well. And there's also a manual model with the lever. But let's get started. So to get into programming, press the settings button up here, calendar button here, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you can't count like I can, this is a great area to remember, 1 through 7. Press the 1 button, and that starts Monday. So in Europe, the first day of the week is Monday. So it goes to the continuous part of the week. And now say you want to program for Monday, hit that button there, okay? And say we want, now this is a 24-hour military time clock. Hit okay. Now it's going to ask to turn off time. And then say 8. Then we can turn on the other bands as well. So we click that, hit that. I say click like a computer. And just remember, don't conflict the hours. So you don't want this one starting at 7. So say we want lunchtime. Say 12, hit enter, turn time off. Let's say 1 o'clock. Now remember, the machine needs 45 minutes to warm up. So let's go back to this one. And let's go to 11. Okay. So you do have to hit it. 15. So 45-minute warm-up time. Now it did change the time to 13:15, but say we want it off at 1 o'clock. And then we want the 3rd band, dinner or supper, whichever one tickles your tummy. Let's go backwards. Let's say we want 5 o'clock, and we'll give an hour warm-up time, shut off time. Oh. Say 10 p.m., which is 20. Hit enter, and there we have all 3 bands. Say you want to synchronize it across the rest of the days of the week, you would hit synchronize. and basically it'll carry forward to the rest of the week. So for 7 days a week. Okay, don't hit the back button here. Hit the check mark so it saves. And there we have our 3 times. Now say you want to turn it off. Hit save. Hit the first day of the week. It still saves the timing there, but it's off. Okay, if you want to turn it off, you're going to have to go 00 on the menu. Hit the back button, home, and you're back to the main screen here. If you're not sure, check with the manual that you could print out. Again, from my first intro video, there's a code to scan here or a URL address to print up this manual. But the manual doesn't really go into as much detail as I have onto how to program the new 2021 dual boiler espresso machine by VBM. Electronic digital and the super manual digital. 2 versions of a great machine. And again, you could program the on and off 3 times per day, or what they call 3 bands per day. It's basically 3 times, which is a great feature on this particular model that we really like. Again, if you have more than 3 times, then you probably need a Wemo. But I really like this because you could program this to turn on and off each and every day. And again, if it's in an office, don't have it come on for the weekends. And then if somebody wants it during the weekend, they got to learn how to go program the machine on. So it's a way to stop them from drinking great espresso. How's that? Once again, Java Jim with First Line Equipment. If you have any questions or comments, please ask below. Visit the link to learn more about this new VBM Domobar or dual boiler espresso machine. There are 2 versions on it. If you can also ask questions on our website, and please thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel because there's more to come. Have a great VBM day.